We mentioned parent and child object a bit in the last video, and we will introduce more about this concept by showing some features of container as a parent object in this clip. Child object inherits some properties from container, including rotation angle, opacity, drag, and initial visibility. In this case, the snail image is child object of container 1. Let's rotate container 1 a little bit, and you can see that the snail is rotating in the same direction too. If we change the opacity of container 1, the snail becomes a little bit transparent as well. When you move container, the snail will move along with it. There are two more options that child object goes with parent object: drag and initial visibility. Drag means that an object can be dragged by mouse on the PC or by fingers on mobile. Initial visibility means if object is visible or not when project is loaded in the browser. You can better understand these two options in a project preview mode. Let's first set container 1's drag to be horizontal and preview it. Now you can drag the snail left and right. Let's set up the initial visibility of container 1 as off, then preview it. You see nothing in the browser now. There is also an option of auto in initial visibility. It means the visible status of object will remain the same as its visible setting in editor mode. The eye icon beside the container 1 on object tree controls its visible status in the editor. If we turn it off, you don't see the snail on the stage anymore. And if we set auto and preview it, you don't see it in the browser either. However, child object does not change the size with its parent object by default. When you change the size of container 1, the snail does not scale together with it. Instead, it keeps the same relative position to the container. If we switch on the scale option on container 1's property panel and enlarge its size, now you see the snail becomes larger too. So this is an option that you can have.